to make the wedge quilt behind me, it takes these two templates, StashTools T3 and StashTools T6. This quilt's made on foundation. So the first thing you want to do is take T6 and cut out your foundation piece. The second thing you do is you take T3, you cut out your center piece, and it will fit exact, corner to corner, just like this. Then you go to your scrap bag and you get a strip, you sew it, you flip it. Sew, flip, until you cover the foundation, just like this. You lay the first template on it, you cut it out, and it makes a square just like this. There are many things that you can do with one square to make a block. For example, you can put the 4 fat parts to center and it makes like the quilt behind me. You could put the 4 skinny parts together and make it look like a star burst. Placing them this way makes it look like a wheel. You could also make it linear and make a zigzag or a chevron. Very easily you could put 3 together and make a corner piece. You could also put them like this and make a border.